Ever thought that achieving a fit and strong body requires mastering a library of exercises? Well, think again. The truth is, the fitness world is riddled with misconceptions, and one of the most common is the belief that you need to be a walking encyclopedia of exercises to get in shape. But let's debunk that myth right now. Welcome to the world of Spartan training. Spartan training is all about simplicity and efficiency. It's about getting the most out of what you're doing. It's not about countless exercises, instead it focuses on a few key movements that yield significant results. These are the Spartan lifts, the big three of deadlift, squat, and bench press, complemented by pull-ups, push-ups, rows, shoulder presses, curls, and abdominal work. So, if you've been overwhelmed by the thought of learning countless exercises, breathe easy. Spartan training is about to change your perspective. Let's dive into the heart of Spartan training, the big three. These are the deadlift, squat, and bench press. These are not just exercises, they are the pillars of Spartan training, the foundation upon which a supremely fit body is built. Each has its own unique benefits and challenges, making them indispensable in your fitness journey. The deadlift, a total body powerhouse, engages your entire body, from your legs and core to your back and arms. It's like the Swiss Army knife of workouts, providing a comprehensive strength training in one smooth move. Next, we have the squat. This is the king of leg exercises, targeting your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. It's a functional movement that not only builds strength and power but also improves your balance and mobility. And then there's the bench press, the ultimate upper body builder. It primarily targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping you develop that powerful, Spartan upper body. But that's not all. The Spartan arsenal also includes pull-ups and push-ups, which are fantastic for building upper body strength and endurance. Rows for a strong and defined back. Shoulder press and curls for those sculpted arms. And let's not forget abdominal work, which is crucial for a strong core and that coveted Spartan six-pack. Now, these exercises may not be as flashy or as trendy as some others you might find out there, but they are tried, tested, and true. They have stood the test of time and have been the basis of the training of practically every supremely fit person you can imagine. And while there's no harm in adding a dash of variety to your routine with different variations of these exercises, remember that the key is to move heavy weights in these lifts. That's where the real magic happens. So whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting out on your journey, these exercises are all you need to build a fit, strong, and resilient body. Remember, the secret of Spartan training lies not in quantity, but in quality. It's about getting the most out of what you are doing. Now, you might be wondering, what about using machines for these exercises? It's a valid question, but let's debunk a common misconception. While those shiny, high-tech contraptions can be tempting, they can actually slow down your progress, limit your strength, and even increase your risk of injury. However, there are two exceptions to this rule. Firstly, machines can be a good tool for rehabilitating an injury. If bench presses are causing you shoulder pain, for instance, machine presses can be a decent stand-in until you're ready to hit the free weights again. Secondly, machines can help build strength for full pull-ups, an exercise that can be challenging for those with less upper body strength. But these are just exceptions. The crux of Spartan training lies in free weights and body weight resistance. They are your key to unlocking true strength and fitness. In the end, remember this: Spartans didn't have fancy gym equipment. They relied on their bodies and their determination, and so should you.